Hi guys! What we have here is the new style bag dock, which is compatible with the Oreck Magnesium and the Discover vacuums. It's a much more heavy-duty replacement part. There's a lot more thickness in key areas in comparison with the previous style of the blue bag dock, and the thickness a couple layers plastic compared to original. Ensure your Magnesium or Discover vacuum cleaner maintains peak performance with this replacement bag dock holder. Made with durable material, this holder securely attaches your vacuum cleaner bag in place, allowing for hassle-free cleaning sessions. It is an easy installation process for quick replacement. Securely holds vacuum cleaner bag in place during operation. This modified part will probably last the lifetime of your vacuum. Feel free to contact us if you have any additional questions. Thank you for supporting a small business, and if you would be interested in more do-it-yourself videos like this pertaining to household quick fixes along with vacuum cleaners and the Magnesium vac, feel free to like and subscribe. That way you will receive instant notification. This bag dock can be purchased in the description below along with other quick fixes for your Magnesium vacuum.